So what are lead time and cycle time? Imagine a task being requested by someone. At some point, someone begins working on it and later the work is completed. Lead time is the total duration from when a task is requested until it is completed. Cycle time is the duration from when work begins until it is completed. Let's start with an example. Imagine our cute little bunny wants a pizza. As soon as the bunny places a request for pizza into the backlog, the lead time starts ticking. When someone begins working on the pizza request, the cycle time starts. The cycle time and lead time continued until the work is completed and the bunny gets the pizza. So as you see, lead time is important to measure our customer satisfaction, while cycle time is important to measure our team productivity. Let's start with measuring cycle time in Jira. To do this, open the report panel in your project and then select the DevOps cycle time report, just like here. Once the report loads, you will see a weekly comparison of cycle time showing the average cycle time across the issues by week. If you click on a bar in the bar chart, you will see the details of each week's production deployments, including the cycle time for every issue. Very simple. Additionally, there is a control chart that provides deeper insights, including lead time analysis. At first glance, this may seem complex, but it is actually quite simple. The report itself is divided into three main areas. The help area, which provides explanations to help you understand what is presented in the chart. Then there goes a chart area itself. It displays the averages and cycle time across all issues. You can click on individual issues to see their specific cycle time. The report also shows the overall average cycle time for selected period, making it easy to identify key trends and started variations in the process and to find how to make them smaller. There is also a settings area. It allows you to adjust the time frames and switch from cycle time to lead time by just including to-do statuses in the calculation. So let's click it. Yeah, we see now the lead time. So this transforms the cycle time view to lead time analysis. And if necessary, you could also count the non-working days. Now let's take a look at the lead and cycle time report in Actonic Report Builder. This report is incredibly simple to configure. Just select one or multiple projects you want to analyze, choose whether to track cycle time or lead time, set the time range you want to review, and voila, the report is ready. It's fully interactive. You can filter out values you don't need, explore the data table, and dive into the data sources. Need to switch things up? You can easily adjust the report to focus on a single project or many projects, switch between cycle time and lead time. It will automatically get it and refine the view to fit your needs. So despite its simplicity, this report is a powerful tool that helps you to gain clear insights into your workload efficiency. You want to learn more or have any questions? Check out the links in the video description. See you later. Bye bye.